In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find the inverse of a function. So here we have a function, f of x is equal to 5x plus 8, and we want to find the inverse of it. So f of x is actually y, so you cross this out and turn it into a y. And now all we have to do to find the inverse is switch where the y and x are. So instead we're going to put x is equal to 5y plus 8. And now all we have to do is solve for y. So subtract it on both sides. X minus 8 is equal to 5y. And divide both sides by 5. So you'll end up with y is equal to x minus 8 over 5. That's how you'd find the inverse of a function. And if you're to find the inverse of a fraction function, here's how you do it. You do the same thing to start with, is you'd switch where the x and y are. So you'd put x is equal to negative 3y plus 5 over negative 2y plus 1. Then you put x over 1 so that you could cross multiply. You'd end up with negative 2xy plus x, this multiplies over here, is equal to, and then 1 times this would just equal negative 3y plus 5. And all you gotta do is solve for the y by adding 3y on both sides. And subtracting x on both sides. And it'll look like this, negative 2xy plus 3y is equal to negative x plus 5. Now what you're going to do is you can take y out of this and put it in parentheses. So you can take y out of everything, y, parentheses, and you'll put negative 2x, because negative 2x times y is negative 2xy, and then plus 3. So this is, right now it's the same thing, it's just had the y pulled out of it, is equal to negative x plus 5. All you gotta do is divide both sides by negative 2x plus 3. And you're gonna end up with y is equal to negative x plus 5 over negative 2x plus 3. That's how to find the inverse of a function. If you enjoyed the video and learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.